we are at the home screen of our canva.com, and today we are going to learn about the docs, Canva Docs. When we are here, we can either reach to Canva Docs by clicking here on the plus sign and then clicking on the docs. Okay, there's one size which is appropriate, or we can go directly, we can find it directly on the home page clicking docs. So new document will be opened. Okay, and this is a visual document. Mostly documents are mostly about writing, but in Canva you can add some designs, and you can make it scrollable. So what we are going to do today, we are going to make it a scrollable doc, Canva doc. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how a scrollable available template looks like, and then we are going to create one on our own. So let's get started. Here we can see start typing or ask Canva to generate. So I can directly, there's a plus sign when I click here, and let's say I want to add a heading. My first Canva scrollable doc. Okay, so this is the thing. When you click on plus, when you enter, this plus sign will keep on appearing again and again. So you will see here a lot of options. You can select, you can make table, add table, subheading, body, sheet, divider. You can explore all these options. What we are doing today is the scrollable design within the Canva doc. So we'll click on the scrollable design and we'll click on add a scrollable design. Once I click on this, you will see that a mini window will open. Canva, there's a mini window which is opening here, and you can see, first I'm going to show you the templates that are available. Let's say I'm selecting this template. I like this template, and I apply all 11 pages. The 11 pages has been applied here, and if I click on save, now I'm going to show you how this appears. This is a scrollable document. You can see a lot of movement is happening. How is this happening? This is happening inside the doc and due to animation and transition that we have already learned. Okay, so I am going to click on edit, and for now I am going to delete all these slides. Okay, because I want to create my own Canva, my own document. So because I want to create my own scrollable design, so I have deleted that. I will just save this and show you that this is scrollable design is all empty. I'm going to just remove this by clicking delete sign. So this is deleted. Now I'm going to tell you how to create your own scrollable design. Okay, so here we are again on the same Canva doc. I'll click on plus and the scrollable design, add a scrollable design. This time I'm not going to add any template, rather I'm going to make my own template. So I want to, it goes exactly the same, but it's just a sub window or a mini window opened inside the Canva docs. Okay, so let's say I want to write a text heading, and I write here AI is smarter. I'll add but not as smart as humans. Okay, so that's the text that I have added here. I'm just doing quickly, I'm just collecting my elements, my text and all the things, and then I will start adding animation and things. Let's say I want to do the color blue. Electric, this blue I like. Change all pages. The text may be white. Where's white color? And it says change all. Okay, I want to add elements like AI few of the elements I'm also adding in here. Just give me some time and let me arrange all the elements in all the sheets, and I'll get back to you, come back here. So these are the elements that I have added. Here one element, here some background, some element here, AI, and not as smart as humans. I've added a human and then some background again. I can extend this also, but this is not, this won't look good. So what we are going to do, we are going to add some animation so that it becomes our scrollable design. So let's say I'm adding, I can just click on the page and add page animation. Okay, so I'm quickly adding it. Wipe, drift, rise, not party pan, some serious. I can add breathe. For this, which I have added at the corners especially, I would like to add a round to it. Okay, here also, let's say I'll add here on the page animation, I'll go neon and animate this element, animate round. When you will scroll, this will also go round. Here on the page I will add block, and here I might add round. So you will see that in scrollable designs, you will most of the time find a lot of round animations, elements which are just taking rounds when you're scrolling them. So it's a simple presentation I'm going to save, and let's see how it looks. I'm not sure how it is going to look, but let's see. So here is my design, and we can see here on the right side that it's rotating. Okay, so here also they both are rotating as I'm scrolling it, and this design is also rotating. What I want to do is that now I want to show you how we can edit few things. Like if I click edit on this, this is opening it in editor. Okay, my slides are getting open. Let's say I want to delay, like this slide is for 2.5 seconds, this slide is for 1.7 seconds, this slide is for 2.25 seconds. Let's say this slide was working fine when I was scrolling, but this slide was like disappearing very fast. So I would like to make it 3 seconds, let's say, and apply to all pages. Let's see how they look. If I save it, let's see how it appears. Again, I'll start here. What I can see is that I cannot find the scroll is working. Yes, it's working fine. Let me also check one more thing. I'm clicking on edit. So this element has something. Let's shift and but पे हम animate कर रहे हैं. Let's animate it tonic. Let's see how it works if I'm doing it this way. Okay, save it. So this is how I'm making the changes, and that's how it is appearing. I also want to show it to you in presentation mode how it looks. So I click on share. I will click on I don't know why it is not showing the present mode, the presentation thing. Okay, no worries. So we can see that this is how our scrollable design is working, and so you can also start making it like this. Okay, so try to make this, and if you face any problem, just let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.